So far, I have done so much video about social media marketing. There's a lot of people start to ask me, what should I look out for in my social media marketing ads? Previously, I mentioned that why do we advertise on social media? We advertise in social media so that we have a guaranteed place on a user newsfeed. But you will realize one thing is, when it comes to social media ads, right, there is a certain template. Social media ads have a certain look and feel one. So today I'm going to share with you the different section of a social media advertisement. So this is how a social media ad look like. Talking about this, social media ad consists of a few sections. The first section, we call it the post text. Post text is the text, right, to describe your advertisement. Second part, we talk about the image or the video. And this part is the part whereby people see your image, people see your video. Followed by the next section, we call it the headline. Headline basically define what are you going to talk about and what is your lead magnet, etc. Followed by description. Description is a description below your headline in your advertisement. Followed by call to action button at the right side of your advertisement. You will see that above headline, right, there is a URL. We call it the display URL, means URL to display for purpose. Why am I sharing with you the different section of a Facebook advertisement? Because I want to tell you all what is important and what is the least important. So just now I shared with you the 6 different kind of section. Which one do you think is the most important?
Important. Call to action. Description.
Wrong! It is the image or the video, the #1 priority. Because if your image or video is not exciting enough, people to even bother to look at your ad. Now the second part, which one is more important? The headline. Headline, right, is something that people look into to see whether does it attract their attention or not. So my top 2 priority, one is image or video, second is headline. Why is these 2 the priority? Because sometimes people see the image or video and then see the headline, they already click into your advertisement already. They click into your advertisement, either go to a landing page or sign up for certain enquiries already. But then there are some users still feel that it's not enough. So what they do, after image, video, after headline, people will look at this thing called the post text. Whereby post text is the description that talk about your advertisement. Followed by the next thing, we call it the display URL. You always see this thing called display URL in your advertisement. It's a URL to display. It's not the actual destination that you lead people to. So display URL, you can do funny things such as i-m-handsome.com. As long as it look like a URL can already. So if today I organizing an event, I will say best-event-singapore.com, because this is called display URL. It's for displays purpose. The last 2 that is not very priority one, we call it call to action button, because after so many testing, only one kind of call to action button work, and it's called learn more. The other one is called description. Why description not very important? Because description sometimes appear on user newsfeed, sometimes it don't, because Facebook and Instagram has this rule whereby not all description appear on all users. So talking about this, let's prioritize all the different sections of advertisement. First, we talk about image and video. Second, we talk about headline. Third, we talk about post text. Fourth, we talk about display URL. Fifth, we talk about call to action button, followed by the last priority, description. So if you are starting to do your social media ads, please look out for what is the main priority. Hopefully, my sharing today helped you all a lot. If you want to master the art of social media marketing, I have a free gift for your worth USD47. And this is my ultimate social media marketing blueprint. You can click the link below to claim your free gift. Besides this, if you like my sharing today, you can like, share and comment. I see you at the next video.